Here's one of the pheasant release pens, and we've got some overhanging trees which don't look a problem because it gives it a nice bit of shelter, but the trouble is the poults are on the inside, and what happens is they've got all this lovely roosting on the inside, and they get to this open area here in the evening and they want to fly up into these trees on the edge, and then what happens is they miss because they're young poults. They land out here, walk into the bush, and the fox comes along and kills them. But quick and easy, we're going to do it with a Gerber saw. It's basically a wood saw, nice and easy to use, cracking handle, nice good grip, nice and lightweight, and it comes with a changeable blade. So in the back of this pouch we've got different blades.
I always wondered about that. So the teeth size,
yeah,
explain the teeth size, because no one's ever told me.
So basically you get a difference between a tenon saw and a coping saw compared to a ripping saw, like a big wood saw. So like your normal carpentry saw, the bigger one, got a lot bigger teeth. So this can go through wood with moisture in it, whether it's sap or wet wood, because it'll rip through. It won't do a very pretty cut, but it'll get the job done. Whereas a finer tooth cut would go through better for drier wood, and it'll do a nice smooth cut.
Are you hoping to do a nice finish now?
No, effective and easy. So I'll be up the tree.
Okay.
Right, I'm just going to go up there. I mean, don't try this at home. Yeah, so basically you're up here, safety is the most important thing. So when you're doing this sort of work, you make sure you have somebody else with you. Obviously your first aid kit and everything else, but yeah, be sensible and work to your own limits, really, your own height, comfort, and where you're happy to fall from, basically.
Are you happy to fall from there?
I'm not really.
I'm not happy to catch you from there.
Don't you worry, I'm not falling anywhere. I'm scared of heights. Underneath the branch to start with, to give you like maximum leverage when it starts to fall, and it should break away and fall away. So a great thing with this, once you finish doing the cutting, you put it away, put it back in its pouch. So I'm going to manoeuvre up to the next bit of tree.
You want to go get someone?
Yeah, you got a ladder, fire brigade, the cat up a tree.